So in this tutorial, we are going to go over the improvements with the wall priority. I know you might think, what the heck is wall priority? Well, you're about to find out. So always in Revit, we've always had the structure when we go into the actual Revit wall family, is that when you see me have this selected wall from the default model, I'll go into edit type. And when I'm in edit type, we've always had, obviously the structural material, fields, and the wall itself, right? And then we also had like wrapping and where it ends and everything else in function. So now when I go into walls, what you will see that they have made an improvement on is not only do we have functions, which we've had before, that's always been a part of it. You've seen that one from, since we had Revit, but this is the improvement. This is where it's been awesome to have, is the fact that now you have this column over here that says priority, which means especially with shafts or double walls, or if you want to go ahead and do walls without a core layer, you can do that as well. And we have not been able to have that possibility in the other ones. So now that we have this priority, we can now take these different walls, different layers, put it in a priority aspect of it, and make sure it's really, really what we want when we're actually doing these walls, and really specific. So I am really, really ecstatic about this aspect. Also, remember what I just said before. If I wanted to go ahead and get rid of this and I wanted to go ahead and move this up, now I can go ahead and put a priority without a core wall in here, and now you see the difference. Look, I can say finish 1, finish 2, and now I have the combination of just doing for finishes. I can mix and match, especially in bathrooms or wall blockers or anything else like that. Now I got something that now I can control. All right, and you see, look at the difference. See how I can go ahead and say this is the wall I want. And I just wanted to show you that can now be done in Revit 2026. Thank you.